Hey guys, it's your boy Corey, Real Men Get It Done. Today we're going to talk a little bit about some beard care, just letting you know a few tips and tricks that I have been discovering along this journey as my beard has continued to grow. So let's get right into it, y'all. Real Men Get It Done. So of course, everything that I use will be in my Amazon store. I encourage you to check it out. Your bro gets a little bit of kickback, and it just helps me continue to grow the brand, the channel, and the content. But some of the things you may be able to find at your local store. But let's start off just with beard care in general. A few of the mistakes that I see bros making, especially when you're first starting out, is washing your entire body, beard, face the exact same way. One way to level up your beard care is to wash your beard separately from the rest of your body. Your beard should be washed in lukewarm to cool water, and that will help so that it doesn't get as brittle as beards get. And then you can level up and get a beard wash, or you can use something like a Kirk's coconut soap. I love Kirk's coconut soap. It is dope. You can use it actually for your entire body, but it's a very good product to use specifically for your beard because it will not make your beard brittle. So Kirk's soap is a definitely go-to to utilize. All right, another piece of game. We should be using wood when we're doing our beards. Wood just is a better tool overall, but I do have my plastic detangler because as my beard has gotten longer, and when I wake up first thing in the morning, it can be a little rough. So I like the detangler, and I've also been moving forward with using my heated comb to really just get some of those kinks out. And I use it for when I'm getting ready to trim up my beard and even on the daily. It will straighten my beard, and I don't always like that look, but usually when I hit the shower and a tiny bit of moisture gets to it, it'll go back to normal. But it really just helps get a lot of that kink and craziness out of it. So those are a couple of the tools that I use really on the regular to help me maintain and keep my beard to where it needs to be. As I mentioned, every item that I use, even to my clippers, will be in my Amazon store. So I'm gonna do a quick trim and then apply my product. Let's get it, y'all. Right, and that's pretty much it, y'all, for the beard. Now, like I said, I mean, I don't go for, and this is being perfectly honest, to perfection, because sometimes I used to, and then I would mess up some of my length and growth. So I just want to be decent, presentable. As I've gotten through this journey, I've told y'all I go to a barber pretty regularly, but it's about once a month. So I just try to maintain in between. Self-taught barber, so just maintain in between to make sure by the time I go to him, I haven't messed up, my length or just how high I kind of have my line, so that he can still go ahead and do his thing and make it look amazing. So that's about it for the beard care. Last touches, as I mentioned, definitely gonna use some Scotch Porter, and usually my beard's a little bit damp, so just add a little bit of water to the beard serum. As I said, the heated beard brush will make it more manageable, softer. But as you put your product in to have a regular day and pick it back out, the beard serum and the beard balm, your hair's not gonna be straight. If you have coily hair, it's gonna coil back up. But I just love it, using it a little bit more these days to help me keep my stuff manageable. I wouldn't agree to use it necessarily every single day, but I use it about every other day, every couple of days in between, just when I feel I should need it. that's what it is. And just a side note, again, appreciate all the love and support, people watching old content, old videos, because I have so much game there. Your boy, as always, is busy, so I can't put content out as much as I would like, but hopefully that will change here soon. I'm a beta tester for a brand new app called Chatter, and it's kind of combining the best worlds of, let's say, Instagram with social audio, so that we can multi-stream potentially to multiple platforms such as like YouTube, Instagram, all at the same time. So that may allow me to have more videos where I'm just maybe connecting with y'all on a different level and still sharing some tips and tricks. And ultimately the whole goal of the brand Grooming Get It Done is just pushing fatherhood, the positivity of fatherhood, and of course self-care for us as men in general. So that's a little bit of what I have been up to and trying to just get to, along with just growing the business and the brand. So drop your questions in the comment section. Check out my Amazon store. Until next time, yeah, that's where we're at, y'all. Peace and blessings. Real men get it done.